So if the SE2 is coming, what should we expect? Apple isn't likely to change much. After all, the point of this phone is that it's more affordable. It starts at $349, relatively to other iPhones. Really, there are just two main rumors so far. First, that Apple will upgrade its processor from the A9 to the A10, which is used in iPhone 7, and second, that its spec might be changed to glass so that it can support wireless charging, but rumors don't agree on whether that's a sure thing. A video began circulating today, showing what this new phone could look like. There's a good chance this is a mock-up though, so don't take what you see here as proof the phone exists. Otherwise, the most part of the phone are believed to stay the same, including the screen size and general design. Rumors have been mixed on whether the phone will add water resistance, something newer models include, or keep its headphone jack, something new models don't. If an iPhone SE2 is happening this year, it seems likely that it will be released within the next month, and no later than early June, when Apple's holding its annual developer conference. Apple doesn't usually launch new devices at that event, but it isn't unheard of either. After that, we probably won't see anything from Apple until September, when sequels to the iPhone 8 and X are due. More than anything, there's reason to believe Apple will update the iPhone SE simply because it's an important phone. Even though it may seem like a device that Apple is putting minimal effort into, and that's not necessarily wrong either. It's a phone that Apple is relying on to help it break into markets where people don't typically purchase $700 phones. In particular, Apple sells and even manufactures the iPhone SE in India, where the average smartphone sells for $157 and rising. After Apple began manufacturing the iPhone SE in India last year, the company saw its revenue in the country double. But it's a very competitive market. And while iPhone may provide reliability, it's going up against much flashier and more modern looking phones, most notably those Xiaomi's Redmi line, which are also much cheaper. If Apple is serious about competing, it will likely want to keep updating the iPhone SE, or else make some other newer phone available at lower price. Apple rumors can be way out there sometimes, but often when there's enough noise, there's something going on, even if the rumors aren't firm enough to figure out exactly what it'll be. And over the past few months, more and more rumors have pointed towards Apple updating the iPhone Special Edition. The iPhone Special Edition was introduced in March 2016 and updated with more storage in March 2017. It's now just over a year later, and we're yet to hear anything from Apple about what comes next for its only remaining small phone. But there are some signs an updated model could be in the works. Earlier this month, regulatory filings from Apple revealed model numbers that appears to belong to the new iPhones. There's no other iPhone that Apple's likely to release soon. And the last time regulatory filings revealed an Apple product early, the device was revealed 1 month later. So it sure seems like something new is coming soon. That's bolstered by a number of reports that an iPhone SE2 is coming, albeit from sources with mixed degrees of reliability. They've been exhaustively tracked by Mac Rumors, but the rundown includes reports from Economic Daily News, DigiTimes, and Mac Otokara. All that said, there's one notable voice suggesting an SE2 might not be coming. the typically reliable KGI securities analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who believes it's unlikely Apple will have the development resources to make it happen this quarter.